You mentioned a mixed picture for the markets, mixed picture also for the sectors. Take a look at our Wi-Fi interactive board. We're looking at consumer discretionary and staples, real estate that are in the green right now. You've got energy and materials lagging. Over on the Dow, pay attention to the upper right part of the screen where you're seeing P&G, Procter & Gamble up more than 1%, Walmart, Home Depot, Coca-Cola also higher. On the NASDAQ 100, do want to point out, as you mentioned, Meta changing its ticker symbol, and also the outperformer on the NASDAQ 100 right now being Tesla, up more than 3.5%. Since we're talking about electric vehicles, do want to mention also NIO under pressure after its second quarter delivery forecast missed Wall Street analyst expectations. But overall, you are looking at the Chinese ADRs, which are under pressure today. But for the week, still seeing some solid gains as I pull up the 4-day chart here. Guys?
And Ines, you're also looking at the consumer impact from higher gas prices.
Yeah, that's right. So we are quickly approaching that $5 a gallon national average. We're just pennies away from that. But let's be clear, 18 states now have an average of at least $5 a gallon. You've got California with more than $6 a gallon. And if you go to many states, you're looking at gas well above that $5, approaching that $6 average. So JP Morgan had recently said that we could approach that national average of $6 a gallon later this year. And there's a study from the car insurance app Jerry that shows that at $6 a gallon for gasoline, households that are making up to $40,000 a year will be spending anywhere between 11% and 28% of their after-tax home pay. Now that compares to those that earn more than $150,000 a year. They would be spending anywhere between 2.8 and 4.9%. Of course, also rural drivers are more impacted by these higher gas prices than urban drivers. And the average U.S. household at $6 a gallon will be spending around $4,600 per year for gasoline. Look, the bottom line is that gasoline prices are extraordinarily high especially for these low income earners. They are just struggling to fill up their tanks and also put food on the table. That's what they're buying right now, gasoline and food.